Hello, good afternoon. This is Amar Nath from Iquique City, Chile. In this video, I will explain different issues about available jobs in Chile which are suitable for a foreigner. The jobs should be classified into two groups. Number one, the professional or skilled work, and number two, the works which are suitable for unskilled workers. The first group belong to advocate, doctor, IT specialist, trainer, marketing personnel, nurse, engineer, architect, English teachers, tourist guide, travel related professionals, etc. And number two belongs to salesman, hotel work, cook, carpenter, painter, electrician, helper, mine workers, drivers, agriculture related workers, domestic workers, cleaner, security personnel, etc. For the first group, people who will come as professionals, they have to validate their certificates or diplomas which has already been obtained from their native country. To do this job, they have to apply to the University of Chile in Santiago, and there is a special department which are responsible to validate their documents. This is a more or less critical process, and they have to contact the special department at Universidad de Chile. Now let me explain how to get a work permit or work visa in Chile. This system has two parts. Number one, the work permit visa, which can be obtained after coming to Chile, and number two, the work permit visa, which has to apply before coming to Chile in their home country. So let me explain the process how to apply Chilean work visa after arriving into Chile. If the visitor or visitors come to Chile as a tourist or as a business person or with any other types of visa, they have to search for a work inside Chile. If any work is found, he should contact the employer. This employer may be a Chilean or a foreigner with a residence permit or a company or anybody. So there is a signing process. He has to contact a local contador. Contador is a lawyer, and the lawyer will copy the passport, and with this passport number he will prepare a work contract. This contract is normally done for 1 year, or it can be done for 2 years or for an indefinite period. This contract is done at the office of a notary. With the contract which is done at the office of a notary, the applicant has to go to the local immigration office, which is called the Oficina de Migración or Oficina de Gobernación. There, the related officer will collect the documents and they will file for a work permit visa. This visa is applicable for 1 year in the first term. When the application is processed, the applicant can view the status of the application or the visa online. Now let me explain how to apply for a work permit visa from someone's native country. In this case, the prospective worker has to search for a Chilean job online or by some of his relatives or in any other way. If some work is found, there should be a work contract. As the applicant is living in his home country, he cannot sign the paper from his country in Chile. So the employer will sign as an employer, but the space where the worker will sign will remain vacant. This incomplete work contract should be sent to the applicant's home country by a courier service in original. With this work contract, the applicant has to proceed to the local Chilean consulate to sign and to legalize by the competent authority of the consulate. After the signing of the work contract by the competent authority in the Chilean consulate in someone's own country, the applicant will apply for a work permit visa for a period of 1 year. When the visa is approved, this is a 1 year visa, 1 year residence permit visa. So the applicant can travel to Chile with a one-way air ticket. Now let me explain what type of jobs one should search while applying from his own country. Actually, the thing is that a person can work any work, he can search for any types of job, but when he will apply from his home country as a prospective worker, he should search for such a job which is uh, uh, um, not be accomplished, but which cannot be accomplished by a local worker. For example, if someone searches such type of job, like as common salesman or a cleaner, so there the question will come that lot of cleaners are available in Chile. Why should the employer recruit someone from India? But if someone applies for the job like a cook in an Indian restaurant, so it is very natural that Chilean people are not able to cook a special dish which is commonly done in India. So in this case, visa possibility is very much high. But if someone applies from some South India for cleaning an office in Chile, it is very negligible. So in this case, visa possibility is very low. So I recommend the people from overseas to search for such types of special jobs which only that person can do. I mean, he should not search for such types of common works which can be done by anyone, everyone, no matter in Indians or Bangladeshis or Nepalese or or Chileans or Bolivians. So he has to search jobs to that field where this can be done only by himself. Now, another point I should mention, a lot of people are asking me what type of advantages are there while someone is at work in Chile. Well, when a contract is done between the worker and the employer, the employer has to specify in this work contract that he is liable to pay all types of taxes, including medical insurance, pension, and on government taxes at the end of the month. That means he must pay it on behalf of the worker. If he fails to pay the amount timely, he has to be penalized. So there is no problem. So the worker should not and must not worry about this. Anyway, this information is only my opinion based. In order to make any decision to move to Chile for work purpose or to do some job, please do your research very well online. I will not be liable. This is only my information on my basis of experience. If you need more information from my side, please write email to la mitila MITHILA @gmail.com. Thank you.